Hello friends, it's Amanda here with Healthy Hydration. I want to talk to you about our affiliate program and how it's unique and different. So from being in the industry for 12 years of being a network marketer, I found a lot of great things about it and a lot of not so great things about it. And so probably one thing you're probably thinking right now, oh my gosh, is this an MLM program? And the answer is absolutely not. In fact, one of the hardest things to have to overcome in an MLM program is that it's an MLM. Because people automatically assume, oh no, here she comes again, what she's gonna sell me now. And then of course they get told, I'm gonna make all this money overnight, and then they have to stock inventory, and pretty soon they're like, I don't wanna ever do that again. So the moment you say, oh, it's network marketing or it's MLM, they're like, you lost me. I don't even care anymore. And typically those products are very highly priced. And so it's going to be more challenging to sell them because there is a lot more commission per se that's going to go out. So the customer gets to be the one to take that ownership on. So they get to pay for that, even if they don't know half the people or more that are selling them the product. So with here, what we've done differently is we have an affiliate program. An affiliate is just an affiliate of the company. They're out there selling to receive a profit. And so we don't have the 8 tiers, that binary. We have you plus 2, them plus 2, and then we have bonuses and overrides. And so if you go back to one of our other YouTube videos, you're gonna be able to see exactly what those bonus programs are. We've got the when you come in, you are gonna be a team builder. And then we have the next rising star and of course executive. And we do have a triple star, a double star, and a single star once you get these bonuses in a certain time frame. So a 30-day, a 60-day, and a 90-day. And when you do that, there is timed bonuses that go along with it. So it makes it fun and exciting. And then of course you have an override on your team sales as well. So that's also going to explain in another video. You're going to love that about it. Now what you're also going to enjoy is that you have a training system. Systems equals success. You go to McDonald's, you go here in the US, you go in Canada, it doesn't matter where you go. There's a system and they're operating the same. So we want you to get involved in our systems. You know exactly how to go out there and talk about our products, market our products, what to say, how to say it, when you say it. We also want to support you. So once you have all the digital training materials, we're supporting you with calls weekly, 2 of them. So you're going to get to meet our amazing affiliate team members. They're going to come into a community. We have a private Facebook group where we connect with you in there. We share successes, we share questions, and it's a bunch of great-minded people that are success-driven that we are always looking to find you so that you can come in there as well. So beyond that, what you're also going to enjoy about the program here is that there is no quotas, there is no auto ships. You don't have to worry about selling our product on your website if you've already got one on there, and then us taking an override from all the sales because our product's on there. You don't have to worry about that. You get a replicated website. You don't have to pay extra for the training or the website. We want you to have it so you can go out there and be informed and say the right thing. And so we are so stoked about this program. It's way different than anything you're going to see out there. I encourage you to get back to the person who sent you to this video, or perhaps you don't have anyone, you just popped into it. Of course, just go over to our website. You're going to see affiliate at the top. Just click that right there, fill out the form, and then one of our team leaders will meet with you and help you decide on what product's best for you and how we can best help you achieve your dreams and goals. And so if you are watching this video and you are already an affiliate, but yet you haven't really, decided that you really want to jump into this, we are doing a restart. So the bonus program, the 30, 60, and 90-day, will be restarting. So we have the whole month of September here, 2027, to bring people in. And then of course, the timed bonuses will start in October. So if you're excited about that, then make sure you stay glued to all these videos so you know what is happening next. So until we see you in the next video, be happy, be healthy, and be free.